In this video, we're gonna be making a small food plot over here at one of the neighbors. And he's been mowing it for a few years. He had it planted in some clover a few years back, and the clover after a couple years sort of fell off, so he just went ahead and started mowing it for the yard. He's got a real big backyard, big pond over there. We're way back off the road. It's hard to see for the sun, but he's pretty secluded back here. So we're just gonna till up a little patch. We're gonna go down to about those trees, come up here. You can see there's a little bit of a swale in the yard. He wants me to stay on the other side of that little ditch there and go over to the trees here, just leave enough room for him to, drive a truck or four-wheeler or lawnmower around the edge of it. So we're not gonna go quite to the woods, but we're just gonna till up this little patch here. He's gonna plant some clover and maybe some brassica, something like that, just to give him something, a little bit of something to hunt out of. I think he's got a ladder there. So his health is he's got some poor health, and getting far from the house is getting harder, and sitting in the stand is getting harder on him. So, if we can help him out with, hunting up here close to the house. He sees good deer here. He puts out his trail cameras out here, in the backyard, and he showed me some of the pictures. So we're gonna go ahead and get the tiller going here. Get lined up along this edge, and we'll clean up all these start and stop marks. I'll go one swipe down this edge, that'll clean all that up. I've touched that up a little bit with the rake, but that's all right, that one little spot. We'll go down here and do the same thing on this end. Every time you start, it sort of makes a mound, and every time you stop, it leaves a little bit of a dip. So if you look down this edge, if you see a mound, that was me starting going this way. Wherever you see a dip, that's where I picked the tiller up when I came out. We get lined up on this edge. Clean it up, and it'll look real good after this last pass. I don't ever, if I can help it, I don't ever engage or disengage my PTO when the RPM's real high. We talked about, should we spray it? Should he spray it? Wait for that spray to work, then maybe till it in the spring or whatever. I said, man, if it was me, I'd just go ahead and till it now. This grass is gonna come back up, but you know what? If you can hunt over a little bit of something this year, because we're in September right now, so if you can hunt over something this year, and then if we gotta spray it in the spring and till it in the spring or whatever, get it tilled up when you can. You know, if you got to till it multiple times, if you got to replant it a couple times, it ain't like we're doing 50 acres here, you know. The seed ain't that expensive. So, and that's it. Shoot some deer this fall. I hope I helped you with this one. If I did, click that thumbs up button. You want to see more videos of me working on all kinds of stuff, click the subscribe button. Till next time, keep on tinkering.